You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names from K-pop and music, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel so you don't mispronounce names anymore. So how do you say this one? Huening Kai. Huening Kai. Huening Kai. Huening Kai. Huening Kai. And now you know more videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names of celebrities that many get wrong. You won't anymore after watching this. I'll see you there to learn more. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.